happy National Eats Grits for breakfast. So I called my mom and I checked. Okay, I can make these quick grits for you because no self-respecting Southerner would use quick grits, but it's Quaker Oats, so we're good. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is going to be a quick, easy one, and it's going to be delicious. So let's get started. Making quick grits or making regular grits, either way, you always have to start with water because that's like the basis of it. So you're just going to have grits and the oil of your choice. This is the oil of my choice. So I'm going to let that melt. And then once this melts, I will whisk this in. I'm also going to add a little salt. Not too much, just enough. Just enough. It's boiling. Now we pour in the grits. Just whisk it. As soon as you put them in the water, they expand, as you can see. So you want to gauge the simmer. So these are quick grits, so this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it can take 20 to 25. I'm gonna set a timer and we'll come back. But you wanna make sure that you are stirring. It's on a low heat and that you are whisking your life away. We're already using quick grits. If we burn these, y'all, my mama is going to be so upset with you. Y'all can't make quick grits? We don't want to hear it. So you just stir occasionally, okay? Timer has went off and we've got some grits. They look beautiful. They look done. That's what you want. The water to boil down so you get this nice. Let's plate it. I've got my ladle. Here we go. A little more. Got some hickory bacon pieces. Chives. And just a touch of Old Bay. Now, depending on where you're from, some people like to add a little more butter. Some people like to add sugar. Some people like to add a little milk. And that some people, for the sugar is me. I'm gonna add some sugar, but just enough. Just enough. You don't want it, it's already a corn base, so you don't want to get too crazy. But yes, ooh, it's breakfast. Just like my mama. So from my kitchen to yours, happy National Eat Grits for Breakfast Day.